So finally, breaking news is announced. Aura Lab is just around 25 batch pass out opportunity. Panasonic is announced 26 batch mass opportunity, and Yes Technology is announced trainee consultant, which is going to be a biggest off campus drive for 2025. ठीक है, मतलब 2025 year, not batch. So and one more opportunity is coming from Wipro. Only 5 days is left. So please watch video till end. First understand who is eligible for Aura Lab, because 25 batch is eligible, but BE, BTech, Computer Science, IT, Software Engineering, Arts and Science stream all are eligible. ठीक है, you have to put these interpersonal skill on your resume, ready to join immediately, then only you can apply. ठीक है, you have to click on this link, you will redirect to this page, but only few hours is left. Basically few hours is left to apply for this opportunity, because in this opportunity fresher is eligible. Then if बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें आ गए ना एप्लीकेशन तो ये बंद हो जाएगी. 25 पास आउट फ्रेशर इज एलिजिबल, अप टू 0 to 2 year of experience is needed. Arts, Science, Commerce, Management, Computer Science, IT students is eligible, and the location is Madurai. If your profile is shortlisted, we will contact you. If not, please be assured that your application will be retained in our database for future opening. Means अगर नहीं आते तो अपने आप को रिजेक्ट मान सकते हो. You have to fill this form. Click on your put your percentage, put here fresher if you are a fresher. If you are a fresher, put here fresher. ठीक है, यहाँ पर भी फ्रेशर कर सकते हो, यहाँ पर भी कर सकते हो. क्लिक ऑन इमीडिएट ज्वाइनर. ठीक है, यहाँ पर भी फ्रेशर और यहाँ पर भी फ्रेशर देना. यहाँ पे कोई भी एक्सपेक्टेड एनुअल CTC नहीं देना. यू हैव टू पुट चेक बॉक्स ऑन फ्रेशर. ठीक है, क्लिक ऑन यस. यू कैन गिव माई यूट्यूब. ठीक है, एंड ऑन हेयर यू हैव टू गिव योर अचीवमेंट. ठीक है, कोई भी एक अचीवमेंट दे सकते हो रिगार्डिंग प्रोजेक्ट, रिगार्डिंग परसेंटेज, रिगार्डिंग एनी सर्टिफिकेशन, एंड यू हैव टू गिव योर अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे. व्हाट टू ऐड यू ऑलरेडी नो. ठीक है, दिस इज प्योर IT, सो यू हैव टू गिव द एज पर योर इंटरेस्ट. लाइक मैनेजमेंट वाले अपना करेंगे, आर्ट साइंस वाले अपना करेंगे. तो इफ यू आर फ्रॉम कंप्यूटर साइंस बैकग्राउंड IT, सो पुट एनी वन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, एनी डोमेन विच बेसिकली सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट डोमेन अपने जितने होते सारे दे देना है. ठीक है, एंड एनी UG डिग्री ऑल्सो इज एलिजिबल इन नॉन इंजीनियरिंग. ठीक है, प्लीज अप्लाई एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. इसके लिए जल्दी अप्लाई करना है विद अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे. So Panasonic just announced software engineering internship, which is going to be a big opportunity. ठीक है, and scroll down you will see that pursuing BE, BTech, Computer Science, IT, Software Engineering is eligible. Only 26 batches eligible. Basically final year student is required. ठीक है, and what to add in resume? Only one programming with object oriented, with web technologies and interpersonal skill. That's it. इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं मांगा है. So if you put these domain, then there is 100% guarantee you will get the shortlisting mail. So put these interpersonal skill on your resume like these also. ठीक है, read from here, read this. They will provide you internship offer, hands-on experience, real world project. ठीक है, agile methodology, SDLC you can also put on your resume. ठीक है, with experience engineer you will collab. ठीक है, to design, develop, test software solution. So please apply it as soon as possible. This is going to be a 4 to 6 month duration of internship with the stipend. ठीक है, but only 26 batches eligible. Finally a student with computer science IT branch, and also electronic stream is eligible, and after they will give you full time opportunity if you see a full time offer as MTS, basically software test role के लिए. ठीक है, so please apply it as soon as possible. This is going to be biggest off campus drive. ठीक है, इसकी तरफ से you will definitely get the shortlisting mail. So how to apply? Click on apply, or you can also take referral. So try to take referral first, then you can apply manually if you did not get referral. One more biggest opportunity is announced. Yes Technology announced a trainee consultant role, and this is for grads. Recent graduates is eligible. BE, Tech, MCA, MBA is eligible in supply chain, IT operation. Supply chain concept is necessary, and communication is necessary. Excel, SQL, ERP, SAP, problem solving, interpersonal skill is compulsory. So what to do? Put these domain on your resume, because if you are a fresh grad, they will only asking basic level of domain. ठीक है, basic level of knowledge. So put these domain on your resume, and please put AI ML also on your resume. ठीक है, this will help you to get shortlist, because this is a responsibility. They will give you code or anything related to AI ML, but here is not written. That's why this is mandatory. ठीक है, so click on apply now as soon as possible. Apply it and share this opportunity with other also, because this is a trainee role. They will provide you training with consultant. So please apply it as soon as possible. Only 5 days is left for WILP, and I am not going to tell you about this, so please apply it. This is just a quick reminder for 25 batch. BSc BCA is eligible. 60% criteria is required only in graduation, but 10 12th if you have even 40% you can easily apply, but must be passed. ठीक है, round 1 round 2 everything is written there. 3 year of service agreement is there. Applied as soon as possible, and these are the stipend, so you can check, and 15th December is the last date. Applied as soon as possible. Don't miss this opportunity, otherwise you will regret later. So please apply for technology टेक्नोलॉजी, यस ट्रेनी रोल, पैनासोनिक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग इंटर्न एंड ऑरा लैब। सो प्लीज अप्लाई एज सुन एज फॉर ऑरा लैब। ठीक है, ये बहुत जल्दी बंद हो जाएगी क्योंकि 1 वीक पहले इसने अपलोड की थी, काफी कम लोगों ने अप्लाई किया है। ठीक है, ओनली 51 लाइक्स है एंड देयर 3 कमेंट्स हैं, तो तुम देख सकते हो बहुत कम लोगों ने अप्लाई किया। दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज एक्टिवली सीकिंग फॉर एप्लीकेशन, सो प्लीज अप्लाई इट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, वरना बहुत ज्यादा एप्लीकेशन जाएंगे अभी मेरी वीडियो के बाद, तो तुम अप्लाई नहीं कर पाओगे, फिर तुम अप्लाई नहीं कर पाओगे इसके बाद। ठीक है, लाइक दिस वीडियो टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।